Good day, class. Thank you very much for coming as usual. Before I start talking about what I have brought for you today, talking about present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. Let me tell you a special thing as usual. At the end of the lecture, I will ask some of you to answer some question for me. If you can answer this question, you will be given a gift. As usual, you know this. So I am urging you to give me your precious attention, your precious time, and listen attentively to what I have brought for you special, something great, talking about present continuous tense. Let's see. Still, we are in English tenses. Present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. Let's see what is present continuous tense. This tense talks about an action that is happening or occurring or taking place now. Taking place now. This tense talks about an action that is happening or occurring or taking place now. If you look at this definition critically, you can quickly understand that this tense is talking about something that is happening at the moment, something that is happening now. For example, as I'm teaching you right now, I am practicing or using present continuous tense. What I did yesterday is not present continuous tense, and what I will do tomorrow is not classified as the present continuous tense. But what I am doing right now is classified as present continuous tense. So whenever you want to make a sentence that talks about what is happening at the time that the thing is taking place, or what you are doing at the present time, or what you are doing at the moment, or what you are doing now, you are to use this formula of present continuous tense. Thank you very much, my dear student, for giving me your precious time. Let's see the formula of present continuous tense in brackets. The first one is I. Whenever you see I as a personal pronoun, it goes with what? Am, which is I plus am plus ing form. Meaning that ing form, it is, for example, if you take a word, the root form of the word, you are to add ing to make the word what? For example, if you say it, if you add ing, it will be eating. So this is what you are going to use in simple future tense. This is what we are going to be using in the process of building simple future tense. Let's see the second category. You, we, they. Here is they. Sorry for the error. They plus are plus ing form. Whenever you use this you plus are, whenever you use we plus are, then they plus are plus ing attached to the word that you use. Whenever you see she, he, it plus what? Is plus ing form. Whenever you want to use she, he, it plus is plus ing. Let's see some examples. For example, if you follow this formula, if I want to say that I am eating, I won't tell the world, I won't tell the addressee that I am eating something right now. I am eating it at the moment. Not ate it yesterday, not will eat it tomorrow, but rather right now. Let's see how to make the sentence. I as a subject plus what? Am. Then you say I am. Then you take the word eat plus eat. Then you will add ing form to the word, meaning that eating. I am eating. It tells you that you are eating at the moment. For example, you can ask something, for example, food. I am eating food, for example. For example, you are learning, or let's say you are drinking. If I once tell somebody that you are drinking, for example, maybe you are drinking water, for example, let's see, you plus what? Plus what? Ing. What is the word of drink? Let's bring the word. Talking about drink. If we bring the word drink, then you will add what? Ing to the word. Meaning that, for example, I am drinking. You can add something, for example, water. You can say I'm drinking water. This thing, this sentence shows us that you are doing the action right now. Let's see the third example. For example, if you want to say that she is cooking, you want to tell the people that she is cooking something right now. Let's say food. You can say she plus what is plus the word of a cook, for example, cook. Then you will put what plus ing in the word, meaning that she is cooking, meaning that she is cooking something right now. So this is the formula of building present continuous tense. And I have promised that at the end of the lesson, I will ask some of you, also all the class, those that can, to answer some question. If you succeed in answering the question, you are to be given a special gift. Do you know the gift? Enjoy me next week with a fresh package edition of the lesson. Thank you very much for giving me your precious time. It is yours, Abdullahi Mansur Adam, famously known as Adeli Bachrawa. Bye for now.